Okay, so yesterday we solved like 1/3 of this problem. The problem is called capitalize on Hackerrank, and today we're going to continue the second step, and hopefully we can finish it like in less than 2 minutes. Not less than 2 minutes, less than 30 minutes. Because yesterday we did part one, and it took me like 30 minutes to do it. So I'm trying to make it less than 30 minutes. Okay, let's get it started. Oh, let me explain like what I did yesterday. So like the goal of this problem is like the user is going to give us like a string that have like words words and the goal is we want to remove all the spaces and only want to have like one spaces in between each word, and we want to capitalize each word like cat, dog, 1 2 3 a. Since this started with 1 2 3 a 1, since it started with 1, we don't want to capitalize, we want to keep it as 1. So, and yesterday what we did is we were able like to take this string and then pass it into a list to have like separate string. So this is what we did yesterday. So we get the string, like whole string, and then we pass it into cat dog 1 2 3 a. And so today is the second part. Second part is we try to capitalize each string in the list, and like this. So, and the goal is we only want to capitalize the word that have a lowercase letter. If it's already have a uppercase letter, we don't want to change it. We want to keep it cat. And for number, we don't want to touch it at all. We just leave it alone. All right, so let's do it. Let's do it. So now we have my list. So now we want to create new list. Should I create new list? Now save some memory. So what I want to do is I want to go through for str and minus. So what I did right here is I literally like go through a string and I want to check if it's a small error or not. So I want to check if the first character is a small error or not. So I mean, what I can do, I can write another function. So define small character, which taking just my character. So if so, it's like in order to determine if the character is small or not, you want to check if it's between A to B. I mean A to Z, A to Z. So that's the idea. Is the character between A to Z. So in order to do that, like in Python, you cannot just like compare character to character. You need to convert it to. I'm not so sure. I might be wrong. Let me double check that. Because in C you can compare character to character. So is A is equal to A? No, my bad. Is A is equal to A? Oh, okay. Is A less than B? If this work, it means that Python works just like C. There we go. So what I want to do, so it's easy. I don't have to convert it to an ASCII value or anything. So what I want to do is can do if character, if my character is less than, is greater or equal to A, and my character is less than or equal to Z, I want to return 2. They are small. Else, I don't have to do L, returns false. Small character. So what I want to do is I want to if small character, so string here, like in this case, the first iteration is going to be cat. So what I want to do is I want to pass a first character of that string cat, which is C. So if small character is this C a small character? No. So if it's not, so if it's true, we want to this is something that I don't want to do. I don't want to do like string, I want to do I instead. And let's do, oh, Glassdoor, job opportunity from my school. Wait, I'll do this. Okay, so the reason that I do this because I have more flexible to modify my list if I do this way instead of like doing iteration like directly to string dot cat dog 123a. This one's supposed to be this too. Right. Okay. So right now I want to change this instead string. I want to change it to my list I. So my list I will give me the thing, the string, right? And then from there I want to index the first character. So my list I here, so the first iteration I is going to be 0. So my list 0 going to give me cat, and cat index 0 is C. So if C is a small character, I want to do this is tricky. I want to do 10 is equal to my list I think I can do this. 0 plus my list 1 to the laying of my list. So what I did here is a little bit abstract. So let me explain. So like this portion is like going to give you cat, and 0 here going to give you C, but you want to do it's tricky. So let's convert C first. Let's forget about this. So right here is C. So right here is C. So we want to do what? 1 plus one. So we want plus O or D. Wait, can we do what is A plus 2? You cannot do that. So first I want to convert this to ASCII and then add it by the difference between let me check the ASCII table first. So Oh, A is 65 and this A is 97. So the smaller A have higher ASCII value. Okay, so this is right. So I want to find that difference and then subtract. So for example, 97, I want to take 97 minus 65. So 97 minus 65 should give you 32. So like in this case, if you have a B, in order to get to this B, you need to take 98 minus 32 to get 66. So that's what I did right there. So this will give me 32. I'm sorry. And then I subtract by 32 to get a greater, to get a upper letter. And then from there I want to char, convert everything back to a character. And then here we go. Then we want to change my list of that index to 10 plus my list of that index from 1 to the length of my list I. Okay, so let me explain. So like, so for example, in the case of dog, so temp right here is capital D, right? And my list I here is like I, that case it would be 1, so it's going, and here I'm slicing this list from index of 1 to the length of it, which is so the length of this is 3. So it's like, since slicing an index is a exclusive, so like the second number is exclusive, so it's not going to count 3, so it's only include OG. So what I did is it's just like take a capital letter of D plus OG, and then I put it back to index 1 right here. Well, that's it, I think. Yeah, this looks good. I'm not sure if it works. I mean, I can try and see. So I can return my list. So let's do solve. Okay, God, please give me no error. I know, we'll see. Oh, there's an error. Oh, I need to pass S. That's not a big deal. Oh, look at that, so beautiful. I guess I am almost done. I guess I can just like do 3. So 3 is kind of straightforward. It's just like write a loop to go through this list and then add them with a space. So I can just do for I in range of my list, and then I want to create my result, which is the string that I want to return. So it's just my result plus equal my result plus space plus plus my list. Alright, and then I will plus space right here, and I will return my result from 0 to length of my result. Because I'm going to have like an extra space at the end of the loop, that's why I don't want to return. I should do -1. So that's why I don't want to return that locked space at the end. So let's run it and see. Woo! Beautiful. Look at that. So what I did like over here is literally just create a folder called my result that is empty, and then I loop through the list that I capitalized. So like after this stage, I got something that looked like this. So it's like once I get this list, I can just like add them together and add space in between. But however, like this last loop, so this is like the third loop, which is like I is equal to 2, so it's added and then also like have a space right here, but I don't want it. That's why I eliminate it by doing this. So what I'm saying is putting out my result like from the beginning, and my result is a string, and up until laying of that my result -1, which is not including the last character, which is a space. So this is like what we want. Alright, let's put it into our Hackerrank. Our Hackerrank. Oh, hopefully it pass all the test cases so I can go to sleep early today. Capitalize. I don't know, I'm thinking of like making some video like sharing my experience as an international student in the US. I don't know. I mean, I've been here like for 5 years and I have something to say. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I want to remove all of this. So what I just did is just copy paste from my IDE to here. Let's run color. Hopefully it passed the run. That looks good. Oh no, bro, don't do that. What? Hey, what did I output? What? Oh wait, what? They don't want us to remove the space? Oh my. Why? Why you did that, bro? Oh my god. I've been troll. Okay. I'll see if I can fix this tonight or not. So it's kind of changed my thought process again since like this one, they want us to preserve their space. So like the instruction is, it's not clear. Can you give us like a better instruction? I don't know. Oh, okay. Okay, so they want us to preserve the space, so what can we do? What can we do? I mean, I can do something in here. I'll probably call it a day. I'll try to sell this like tomorrow. But as you can see, like the main problem is uh, it's like let me like take this and show you guys. It's just like this explanation, like this description is not clear. I don't know, like they didn't even mention anything about like having multiple names. Like, yeah, what is this? This is not a name. Like, this is like a bunch of characters. So I'm not sure if I still want to fix it, but I'll try it tomorrow. But I'm going to like show you guys like, what's my code going to give me. So it's like for this case, it's going to give me something. It's going to give me as you can see, it's the same answer, but the problem is I removed the extra space right here. That's what they don't want. So I mean, I'll think about it tomorrow, and hopefully I can finish it tomorrow. All right, thank you very much for listening, and I hope I can solve this tomorrow. I mean, I'm getting really close, but almost. But I learned a lot like through the process of doing this. Like talk to myself, talking out loud. But anyway, so today is either day, I think day 11 of the 100 Days of Code challenge. And I hope to solve this one tomorrow. Alright, thank you. Bye bye.